Yo, what's up, bros and broettes? Welcome back to the freaking vlog. Today is another epic day. Now, with that being said, I'm sure you can tell by the title, today we are working on getting the AC system cleaned and charged. I makeshifted my own lines. Fingers crossed that everything holds up. If not, it's just about $10 worth of Freon, so I'm not really too worried about that. So if they don't hold up, then I'll have them professionally done. So, but with that said, first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the coolant so I can get the radiator out of the way and get this jacked up, front bumper off, remove the intercooler, all that stuff, and let's get started. Alright, now that I've finally got all that stuff out of the way, next up I'm going to go ahead and start getting the radiator out. First I'll have to cut these little tabs so that I can get the radiator out, and then take off the two top brackets and then the hoses, but first I'll drain it. So I'm going to go ahead and I guess get the front of the car jacked up, and then we'll start draining it. Alright guys, I'm back. I got the intercooler out, got the radiator out, piping's out. Next up that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and disconnect these lines. I already got this one down here disconnected, but next up is I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this one. It's actually bolted in right there with the 12. So I'm going to go ahead and unbolt that, and then there's two 10s that hold the condenser in, and that's right here and right over here. I'm going to go ahead and unbolt those. This will slide, tilt forward, and then pull out. So let's go ahead and get these out. Alright, now that I got the condenser out, I'm going to go ahead and take off this line from the dryer. Now, according to the instructions on that clean stuff, according to the instructions on that AC flush stuff, I'm not supposed to put it through the dryer or get it into the compressor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the lines, disconnect the dryer, and then throw some tape over those holes. And then I'll take out the lines from right there, this line and this line. And then once I got those disconnected, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and turn this a little bit so I can pour some down in there. I'll take this line completely out. And then the AC compressor I'm going to take completely out as well, because there was some type of liquid in it. I'm guessing it was water, but I'm going to go ahead and make sure I got everything out of it, and then I'll fill it up with the oil. So, with that said, let's get started. Finally got the condenser cleaned out. It was disgusting. I got the lines cleaned out. I already got the condenser back in. I'm about ready to put the rest of the lines back in. But yeah, it's cleaned out. Everything is good. I made sure to double check my clamps, make sure they're nice and tight where they need to be. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting this all back together. Yo, what's up, guys? So I just finished getting all the AC stuff back in. It's the next day now. I got tired of working on the car last night and just kind of called it quits. And but this is where I'm at. Got the AC, I mean the intercooler kit all nice and tucked in there. Radiator's back in. Lines are all clean. AC stuff's all done. That was the whole main reason of doing all this. I gotta put coolant back in the radiator, fill it back up, top it off, put the battery back in, and then we can try and turn AC on and charge it. Let's see how that goes. Alright, let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and get it started, and we'll top off the coolant, get the air out of it, and then we'll start with the Freon. Alright, so I got the can all set up. I'm going to have to put 2 cans in there, but I'm going to go ahead and get in the car and turn it to AC full, I guess max AC or whatever you'd call it. So I have max AC on, but for some reason my light doesn't turn on. Oh, there's so much stuff coming out of the vents. Guys. Alright, so here's my can of Freon. Let's try and see if we can get some pressure in there. Alright, so there's my 134 port. Valve is in there. Let's go ahead and get this. Alright, I'm going to try and get the compressor to kick on. I'm going to go ahead and get the second can in. It's supposed to take, an S14 is supposed to take less than 2 pounds, but like 1.3 pounds of Freon, so I'm guessing that's like a can and a half, almost a can and a half. So I don't know if it's, my AC light came on, but the compressor's not kicking on. So I gotta figure out why the compressor's not kicking on. So yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. Alright guys, so I got the AC working in the car. The problem was the little sensor that goes in the dryer was actually had a loose connection, so once I wiggled that wire, it started working. So AC works in the car, so that is freaking awesome. Got working AC in the 240 with the RB20 swap, so that's awesome. The next video that I put out after this one will actually be a video of how I got the AC working in the car, exactly what I did, and so that those of you who are curious will know. So that video will be coming out tomorrow, which is Saturday. This video will be coming out today. So until I get to that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I love making them. So please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, because you guys, it really helps support the channel and helps the channel grow. So I do have a lot of things planned for this channel and for myself, and I can't do it without you guys. You guys are how the channel can grow. So with that said, please hit that like and subscribe button. Till next time guys, peace out and never look back.